All right, all you Roban Cobra lovers out there. This is a buddy of mine. You might know him, Tyler Gray Models. This is his Cobra from Roban. And he said, hey, make me new gear. So I made him new gear. Always wanted to get in here and get him some gear. So I got the correct angles on it. And added some little details like the ground handling points for the wheels on here and whatnot. And it's got a little loop on the front for tie downs. But I thought it was a little bit better than the stock gear. Stock gear's close, but y'all know I'm a purist. So I had to make him up a better set of gear for it. So if you guys are struggling with gear, these are brazed steel, not stainless steel, just regular steel, brake tubing, and primered and painted and mounted in the spots where you guys have to mount them at in there. So there you go. Some very nice gear that the purist will know, hey, that looks so much better than the stock gear. They're close on the stock gear, but they're